That mosquito killer you're using in your baby's nursery, it might be more dangerous than the bite itself.
Today we are debunking the hidden toxins in mosquito repellents and revealing the only science-backed safe alternatives. DEET is a known neurotoxin. High concentrations can trigger seizures, and the AAP warns never to exceed 30% for children. Even gentle synthetics like picaridin are severe eye irritants and aren't recommended for infants under 2 months. Liquid vaporizers release a continuous mist of pyrethrin. Prolonged use leads to headaches, dizziness, and nervous system excitation. Burning one mosquito coil in a closed room emits as much fine particulate matter as over 100 cigarettes. You're breathing in formaldehyde and VOCs that can cause permanent, irreversible DNA damage. In 1 year, 19,000 cases of pyrethroid poisoning were reported. These vaporizers are a massive ingestion risk for kids. Ingredients like sumitrin disrupt hormones, potentially promoting tumor growth in reproductive organs. It's a biological hazard. So how do you protect your family safely? Biology explains and the CDC agrees. There are better ways. Oil of lemon eucalyptus is the only plant-based repellent recognized by the CDC for efficacy comparable to DEET. A 30% OLE formulation gives 6 hours of protection, but wait until your child is 3 years old to use it. New 2026 research highlights patchouli oil as a powerful alternative, lasting up to 3 hours in lotion. Other oils like citronella work, but they are volatile. You must reapply every 30 to 60 minutes to stay protected. Instead of skin chemicals, use permethrin-treated clothing. It kills mosquitoes on contact and is safe for toddlers. The most effective step is source reduction. One neglected bucket can breed thousands of mosquitoes in days. For ponds, use BTI dunks. This bacteria kills larvae but is completely harmless to humans, pets, and honeybees. For infants under 2 months, netting is the only risk-free solution. It's a 100% effective physical barrier. Check your window screens. A 16-mesh screen keeps them out without a single drop of toxic chemicals. Mosquitoes are weak flyers. A simple, oscillating fan creates enough turbulence to prevent them from landing. Use a layered approach. Start with source reduction, use barriers, and opt for natural repellents as a last resort. The myth that coils are safe is debunked. Protect your child's health. Subscribe for more science-backed stories.
Remember that mosquito killer you're using, it might be more dangerous than the bite itself.